Hi dear students, how are you all? I hope everyone are doing great. Today we are going to see the lesson how the dog found himself a new master. Before moving into the lesson, I want to ask you a question. Are you ready to answer my question? Yes. Dog, is this a wild animal or a domestic animal? Yes, your answer is correct. Dog, that is a domestic animal. But so many years before dog, it lived as a wild animal. So in this lesson we are going to see how the wild animal dog it transformed into a domestic animal. Let's we move to our lesson. So many years before dog lived like a wolf and it had a lot of freedom. But in a dog family there was a dog, it was ill pleased and it was tired, sick and tired for searching food also, and it started getting frightened of all other animals. So the dog it decided that it need a master. It wanted to become a servant of someone who was the strongest one on earth. Now the dog it was ready. It started searching the master. So it started moving from his place to his nearby place. There he could see a wolf. Wolf, it was a close relative of the dog. Both of them they greeted each other. After that, dog it started moving away from the wolf. Suddenly wolf asked, "Where are you going?" Dog said, "I want to be a servant of someone who was more powerful on the earth." And the same dog it asked, "Will you be my master?" Now wolf it agreed and both of them they started moving somehow far away. While the wolf it started sniffing here and there and it started running away from the place and it went inside the forest and hid himself inside the forest. This dog it got wondered why my master was running like anything and he hid himself inside the forest. After that the dog it went to the wolf and it started asking so many questions. "Master, why did you run away inside the forest?" Wolf said, "There was a bear. So I escaped from the place, otherwise it would have eaten both of us." Now the dog it decided that bear it was more stronger than wolf and it wanted to serve under the bear. It went to the bear, the dog it went to the bear and it asked the bear that, "Will you be my master?" Now bear it agreed and both of them they were walking somehow far away and bear it was telling the plan that there was a herd of cows. I would attack a cow and we would eat the flesh of the cow. Dog also agreed. Both of them they were going near the herd of the cows. When they were going near the cows it started making a lot of sound and it started moving here and there. Now bear it sniffed and it understood there was a lion. So now bear it started running away from the place and it hid himself somewhere inside the forest. After returning from there, dog it asked, "What did happen to you, master? Why did you run away from the place?" Now the bear it started answering to the dog that, "I saw a lion. So I ran away from the place and I escaped from the lion." Again dog it found him who was stronger than a bear. So now the dog it went to the lion and it was asking to the lion, "I wanted to become your servant. Would you be my master?" Now lion it agreed and we know who is the king of the forest. Lion is the king of the forest, right? So many years lion as well as dog they were together because dog it didn't find any other animal who was more stronger than the lion and the dog it was happy under lion. One day dog as well as the lion they were walking while lion it started making roar sound and it stamped stamped his paw on the land, and it was doing some type of activity. But this dog, it didn't understand, and it started moving back also. The lion, it started moving back also. So the dog, it didn't understand what was going to this lion. And the dog, it started inquiring to the lion, what happened to you? Now the lion, it started telling that I could smell a man present here, so we should escape from the place, otherwise we might have a problem. Now again the dog, it found man, he was more powerful. The dog, it said bye bye to the lion and it joined with the man. After that, man and dog, both of them were together till now, till the present. The dog, it didn't leave the man because he didn't find anyone who was stronger than man, and now dog, it was a loyalty to the human being. This is how the dog, wild dog, it transformed to a domestic dog. I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.